Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create linear dimension. So today I will discuss about how to generate linear and how to provide the linear dimension. Linear dimension basically horizontal and vertical form to create in linear dimension. So when I go to use how to create the linear dimension, first of all I will create this line here. This is line. When I choose the line has been start from particular distance also. When this is create the line here, when I go to ortho, here the ortho projection, and now go from 1000 distance. This is 1000 dimension here, and now I will select this. Then again I will click this line here, then pick this point and go to again 500. Then also turn out 1000, then also down 500. So it is create the dimension here. First of all again enter, then click this line and also again enter and click this line here. Okay, then select this and go to remove here. Now this is rectangle, it's creating diagram. When how to provide the linear dimension, basically here the linear dimension, look at this is linear dimension. When I select this linear, this is linear form. They are use vertical and horizontal dimension. So when you click this point and click this point and provide the distance particular, same thing here, this point to this point, click this point, right? Same thing we will provide this point to this point, and also, and then this point to this point I have provided. Okay, so right now this is dimension, and I want to increase this dimension format. So when go to press D, enter. So when enter this D, then change the format. When we are select this modify, and first of all line setting, when we click this line, also when I click this blue color, then also again this line is going to blue color. Okay, then next is arrow symbol. Arrow symbol we will provide particular when I get the architecture arrow, so click this architecture, and then this is leader line arrow, so this close field, and provide the distance. So I will provide the 100 in arrow size. Then text here, text is standard right now. When I will provide the green color, and text height we will provide 150 mm. So this is called, again I will give here above and align with dimension. Then I will come from primary unit. This is the decimal here. When I want engineering inch and mid foot, so when click the engineering, right, but I want decimal because I will do this work is mm. So when again this is a scale factor right now, and this is primary unit system. When I give this above and distance 20 mm, so like everything set up this format, then okay. Then after we will provide current set and close. Here we can see here this dimension is going to large. When reset, so when you press the enter, again come to format, because the large size is dimension and arrow. So when I will reduce for dimension 25, and when I got this height is 75. Okay, then okay, I will go to here current set and close. So look at this dimension right now. It is provide the linear dimension form. When again I will give you this dimension, linear dimension, when I go to select linear dimension and click this point and also click this point, and here the dimension, same thing again enter. When this point to this point I have go to provide, I will just show you. I am only give the horizontal and vertical dimension because this is choose from linear dimension. They are the reason of only provide the horizontal and vertical dimension, right? So when I click this, I want to go to move some distance, so this is here the move right now, because this is adjustment. So when only I have provide the linear and vertical dimension, horizontal and vertical dimension provide, click the linear form of dimension. So this is very useful for design purpose in linear dimension. So thank you for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe channel.